What's good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I am preparing to boost my car. So today I got radiator fans by Mishimoto. They're over there. So I'm pretty much just preparing the car for boost. Like I got the fans, I got the boost gauges, like I ordered all that stuff, waiting on those, and the oil pan spacer, and I'm gonna be replacing the axles and stuff. So, well, one axle because it's blown, but other than that, we're almost ready. Yeah, so I'm just gonna be installing these today. I'm gonna go ahead and I'll open these up for you guys. And also today, I'm gonna be replacing the harness because he ripped it on the HR. Here with my guy Josh. You know what I'm saying? Got Mr. Kazi over there in his car. That is fire though. You did get some new headlights. What's up?
This is the new one?
Alright, so let me go ahead and get in here. I think this side's already open. Yeah. Hey, hey.
Wave check right now. Wave check right now.
Wave check. You got fake waves, bro.
It started 2 days ago. Leave me alone.
Alright. Dang, these are so skinny, bro. That's tough. Damn, and they're hella light. Got screws down there? Oh, it's good it came with screws. I've never installed fans before, so this is gonna be a first for me. Just gonna figure it out as I go. Oh, dang, they look pretty tight. Alright, so I got the fans. I don't know what this is. I'm not too sure what this is. Screws, and then the air freshener, and it looks like probably instructions. I don't know. But we're gonna figure this out. I think this right here disconnects. I think that's pretty much all it's in by, to be honest. Just this tin, so I'm gonna remove that. Okay, so I kind of just got done driving the car, and this is pretty hot. But I removed the screw right here, and then I need to, disconnect this harness, and then that harness, I'm pretty sure, and then I'll pull it, and then I have to disconnect this radiator hose right here. I think, yeah, I'm gonna have to disconnect that radiator hose. Ignore that, I accidentally broke this. This shit fragile, it's hella fragile. But ignore that, I'm gonna replace it. Still got coolant in there, don't worry about it. But yeah, I'm gonna let the car cool down a little bit and then I'll come back. No. Alright, bro, now you're done, bro. So I did make a mess, and Mr. Kazi has banned me from his house now, unfortunately. I did not know this was gonna happen, but it did. So, I mean, we got everything disconnected and just gotta pull out the fan pretty much. If you dropped them, I would be upset. But as you guys can see, the difference.
Fat ass difference.
That shit is crazy. Like, it is crazy. So these going in right now. Simple. All right, guys. So I got the radiator. We got the radiator fans in. They didn't sit flush at the bottom, but I'm gonna figure that out another time. Like if it ever becomes an issue. But I mean, for the most part, it's all in. It is smoking like a little bit, just because I don't have the the proper thing to like burp the coolant, because we did lose a lot. So just gonna let it warm up, and if it overheats or something like that, then I'll know to add more. I'll probably just I'm gonna end up adding more either way, because I know it probably needs more. But they are in. Hopefully, these work good and cool to keep the car like super cool. I'm not gonna lie, I did get kind of nervous at first when it started smoking, but pretty sure it's just all the residue and stuff. Let's see. Shoot. And it's not overheating, so probably just gonna drive it around a little bit and see. They do sound pretty nice. They sound pretty nice, to be honest. I don't know if you guys can hear them. But they seem like they're working pretty good. Like all the smoke like disappeared when it went, so say this was a success. I already sold them, bro. Yep, this was me. I did do this by accident. But y'all hear the fans. I'll probably let you guys know how it goes in another video if they, you know, if I've had any issues or whatnot. I mean, so far so good. They're working, so. I don't know what.
Have this on there, damn it. You can tuck your cords in. That's how it's supposed to be.
Oh, I just zip tied it. These will be getting thrown. Actually, you want these, bro? $5. Simple. You want these $5? Just pull up.
$5 for the stock.
These are.
Is this one missing one?
What?
Is this missing a blade? Why is this one got 4? This one got 5?
What the fuck? It is different. I don't know why.
It's not missing.
It's definitely not missing.
They're trash.
Don't know why it's like that. These are heavy. I think I should just throw these away, to be honest.
Oops. You guys want them to calm it down and come pick it up for free?
Yeah, if you want them, come pick them up for free, to be honest. Just hit me up, DM me. Alright guys, so we're just gonna go ahead and get a car wash right now. To be honest with you guys, I haven't even washed my car in probably like a month. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash it real quick. Bro, y'all, I'm mad. Like, y'all see the condensation on the inside, like, and on this side too. It's worse on this side. I'm gonna have to retrofit these. It's like sooner than I thought. Cause they're looking pretty. That looks pretty bad, honestly. Just waiting for Josh to be done. Man, I need demon eyes already. Better mess around and pull these apart tomorrow. What is this? Gotta get this out the way. I am low-key mad because my freaking bumper is ripped. The wrap is ripped right here. I'm hurt. New wrap coming soon. And you can still see it from right here. I don't know how that happened, but that's tough. All right, y'all. Just gonna go ahead and end the video. Appreciate y'all watching. I'll let you guys know if I have any, issues with the fans and how it works out and stuff. I'm pretty sure they'll be fine. But yeah, appreciate you guys watching. Like, sub, comment, all that, and I'm out.